And welcome to Math Albertois today. Okay, we have a question here before us, and the question says simplify log square root of 8 to the base of 2. Okay, so let's simplify this question together. We are here. All right, so if you look at the question, we have log square root of 8 to base 2. I want to simplify, I want to use the simplest method to answer this question. Okay? All right? Now, if you look at this now, this is the same thing as saying log 8 raised to the power 1 over 2 to the base of 2. Look, if I have square root of 9, is something as 9 raised to the power 1 over 2. Square root of 25 is the same thing as 25 raised to the power 1 over 2. Please, I did not hear in this place. I didn't say 9 whole number 1 over 2. No, this one we are talking about mixed fraction. This one also, I didn't say this is for index. I didn't say 25 whole number 1 over 2. No, this one we are talking about mixed fraction. Okay, so anytime you have square root of something, it means that that thing can be written to power 1 over 2. Okay? All right. Let's carry on now. So now, what will happen next is that now that you have manipulated this one this way, see what will happen now. This one, because it's an index now, is on the 8th. One of the laws of logarithm says that this one is meant to go and stay at the back. It's meant to go and stay at the back, meaning that this will give us 1 over 2 log 8 to the base of 2. Look at it. That's the rule. If you have log, let's say 49 to power 2, maybe base 7, something of that nature, what will happen is that this 2 will go to the back. Whatever it is here, even if it's not 2, whatever number that is there is meant to go to the back. Alright? Alright? So here now, what are you meant to do? You're going to pick it up from there and say this is something that 1 over 2 multiplied by, now 8 has connection with 2. So let's manipulate the 8 as 2 raised to power 3 to the base of 2. 2 to power 3 means 2 times itself times itself. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times this one will give you back your 8. That's the aim. Is that okay? All right. Now, see what will happen next. Now, what should happen again to this one? To this 3, it will go again to the back. So we're going to have 1 over 2 multiplied by 3 times log 2 to the base of 2. Okay? Now, this will give us 1 over 2 multiplied by 3 times any log to its own base is 1. Log 5 to base 5, 1. Log 7 to base 7, 1. Log 10 to base 10, 1. Now, why is this thing 1? See why any log to its own base is 1. See, if you have log 2 to the base of 2, the most important thing in logarithm is the base. So, is this 2 here that is called the base? The small one, written as a subscript, is the base. Now, logarithm is saying, what number will you raise this to, which is the base to, that will give you this 2? I guess you know it's 1. Yes. So carry this 2 here and raise it to power 1 and see. 2 raised to power 1 means it will give you back the 2 itself. Alright? So if you write log 10 to base 10 is 1 also, because what number will you raise the base 10 to that will give you 1? That will give you 10. It's still 1. Alright? So any log to its own base is 1. So log 2 to base 2 is 1. So if you multiply this one out, you are going to get, if you multiply this out now, you are going to get, multiply 1 times 3, you are going to get 3, times 1, you are going to get 3, all over. There is 2 here. So the answer to the equation is 3 over 2, or 1 whole number 1 over 2. This is the final answer to that question. So remember, the most important thing in logarithm is the base. The most important thing in logarithm is the base. So logarithm is all about saying, what will you raise the base to? That will give you square root of 8. That's the meaning of this question. And we discovered that the answer to the question is actually 3 over 2. What it means is that if you raise this base 2 to power 3 over 2, it is something as the square root of 8. So this is how we handle equation of this kind. All right. So I have something to test your ability. So please ensure you do it. So do this classwork and select one out of these options that matches your answer. Is that okay? Thank you very, very much for watching. Thank you.